So yun, hello everyone. We are the Green Bite Burger House, and today we learn about on how proper facility layout and inventory system and supply chain process are important on Green Bite Burger House to sustain our operations. And for the introduction, our business, yung business namin is is a fast food, and yung tinitinda namin is burger, like mga cheeseburger, regular burger, or yung mga may vegetables na burger, something like that. And di lang yan, pati fries, drinks, and snacks yung ina-offer ng Green Bite Burger House. And the business is providing affordable and delicious and freshly prepared food to our customers. And para sustain natin yung operations na yan, para maibigay namin yung mga wants and needs ng aming mga customers, ano nga ba yung importance ng proper facility layout, inventory system, and supply chain process para sustain namin yung aming operations. And yan yung mga tatalakayin natin sa chapter na ito na i-discuss ng aking mga kagrupo. And yun, by the objectives of this report, we explain the facility layout of a food business. Next is discuss the design and model of the business. And the third one is present the production flow from ordering to dispatch, and explain inventory management and warehousing. And lastly, of course, we describe the supply chain process, including the supplier and the logistics.
Facility layout. It is improve efficiency, cleanliness, and customer service. Facility layout is very important when you're making a food business. In this area have different section like the dining area, customer service area, and so on. So when you're making this, you need to proper facility layout to make sure that align to your layout. Digital layout or floor plan. Proper layout or floor plan is very important when you making business or building. Kasi pagpasok pa lang ng customer mo is need to engage na agad. Kumbaga malapit lang yung access of information nila, kaya very important din yung floor plan. And then yung pagsasayos ng mga table, chairs, and so on. Then yung floor plan natin dapat may mga different designs and aesthetic area.
My topic is design and model. Green Bite Burger House uses a process layout because workers and equipments are grouped according to their functions. There are 5 features of the design. First is easy movement of employees. Second is faster food preparation. Third is proper sanitation and safety. And fourth, organized storage system. And fifth is comfortable customer dining experience. And may advantages din ito. May 4 na advantages din ang design and model. First is increased productivity. Second is reduce waiting time. Third is improves customer satisfactions. And pang-4th is minimizes food contamination.
Production flow. The customer place an order, the customer chooses and order the food they want. Cashier record the order. Production flow. Number 1, customer place an order. The customer chooses and order the food they want. Number 2, cashier record the order. The cashier takes and records the order and process the payment. Number 3, kitchen receives the order. The kitchen staff receives the order details to start preparation. Number 3. Ingredients are prepared. The ingredients such as buns, meat, vegetable, and sauce are prepared. Burger and meals are cooked. The burger and other meals are cooked based on the customer order. Food pack and check. The food pack and check to make sure the order is complete and correct. Order is served or dispatched. The order is reserved to the customer or the dispatch for delivery.
The process flow explanation, ordering to production to dispatch. First, ordering stage. Customers choose and order food at the cashier. Second, production stage. The kitchen staff prepares and cooks the meals using fresh ingredients. Third, packaging stage. Cooked food is packed carefully to maintain quality and cleanliness. Fourth, the dispatch stage. Orders are served to dine-in customers or released to delivery riders. That's all.
Inventory management. Inventory management is the process of tracking, organizing, storing, and controlling a business's product or materials. Inventory management helps monitor stocks and avoid shortage or waste. Material used or stored are burger buns, meat patties, vegetables, sauce, drinks, packaging materials. And usually, you will see this on a sari-sari store. And for the importance, it prevents overstocking, reduces food spoilage, ensures ingredients availability, and save business costs.
Ang warehousing at storage ay hindi lang basta pagtatambak ng mga gamit. It's about organization. Para manatiling fresh ang stock at mabilis ang trabaho. Ang mga uri ng inventory storage is number 1. Dry storage, dito nilalagay ang non-perishable o yung mga hindi agad napapanis tulad ng mga buns, seasoning at packaging material. Number 2 is cold storage. Para ito sa mga temperature sensitive na gamit. Dito nakatago ang mga karne, gulay at sauce para manatiling sariwa. Ang number 3 is beverage storage. Isang dedicate na space para sa mga liquid, gaya ng mga soft drinks at bottled water. Essential storage rules. Para smooth ang operation at iwas lugi. First in, first out. Dapat laging maunang gamitin o ibenta ang lumang stock bago ang mga bago. Ito ang pinaka-effective na paraan para iwas spoilage. Proper labeling. Kailangan may malinaw na label ang lahat. Importante ito para hindi malito sa stock at madaling matrack ang mga expiration dates. Daily inventory checking. Araw-araw dapat ang pag-monitor. Makakatulong ito para malaman kung ano na ang kulang, anong damage o kung may nawawala ba sa inventory. Clean and sanitize area. Hygiene is key. Dapat lagi malinis ang storage area para pasado sa health standard at ligtas ang pagkain isiniserve.
Main product, quality. Sila ang naninigurado na laging umaayos ang gamit na sangkap. Ensure continuous supply. Sinisigurado nila hindi na maubusan ng stock ang negosyo para hindi ito tumigil. Support business operation. Nakakatulong sila para maging maayos at tuloy-tuloy ang pagtakbo ng araw ng trabaho.
My topic is suppliers. Different suppliers provide quality ingredients and materials. Ito yung mga nagbibigay ng mga supply sa mga restaurant kanon and sa mga nagbi-business. Examples is meats, suppliers for burger patties, bakery, suppliers for buns, and all flours for bakery, for buns, vegetable suppliers for fresh produce, beverage company for drinks, packaging suppliers for paper bags and boxes, and there are three importance of suppliers. First is maintain product quality. Second is ensure continuous supply. Third is support business operations.
Ang logistic and receiving process ay tumutukoy sa paraan ng pagdadala, pagtanggap, pag-check at pag-iimbak ng mga produkto o materyales sa isang negosyo o kumpanya. Logistic process, ang logistic ay proseso ng pagpaplano at paggalaw ng mga produkto mula sa supplier or papunta sa negosyo o customer. Receiving process, ang receiving naman ay proseso ng pagtanggap ng mga dumadating na produkto o supplies. Yun lang po. Thank you.
Challenges and solution. Yung common challenges is yung naantalang pagdi-deliver ng mga produkto, pagkasira, pagkapanis ng pagkain, kakulungan sa inventory o mga stock, kasira o malfunction ng mga kagamitan. Tapos yung solution is magkaroon ng reservang supplier, araw-araw na subaybayan ng mga stock o inventory o sigawan paraan ng pag-i-impact ng pagkain ng mga produkto. So pagkatapos magsasagawa ng regular na pagsuri at maintenance ng mga gagamitan o produkto.
Southern. Good day everyone. Today we are discussing the challenges and solutions vertical to maintain a smooth operation in our business model. Every phase our Nestra success lies in how we prepare problem. Delayed deliveries and inventory shortage, which can have production, food spoilage, a major risk for any business, and finally equipment and manufacturing, which lead to unexpected downtime. To encounter this, we've developed specific strategies and closure. To avoid delay, we must maintain backup supplier, prevent shortage and spoilage. We will monitor inventory daily and strictly practice proper storage method. Breakdowns by conducting regular equipment maintenance. By addressing these common challenges, which proactive solution we ensure the stability and longevity of our farm operation. Thank you for listening.
Conclusion. A proper facility layout, organized inventory management system, and effective supply chain are essential for the success of a food business. This system help improve productivity, maintain food quality, reduce waste, and provide better customer service. So, ang conclusion na ito ay pinapakita na mahalaga ang proper facility layout, organizing inventory management system at effective supply chain para maging successful ang isang food business. Number 1, ang proper facility layout ay nakakatulong para maging maayos at mabilis ang flow ng trabaho kapag ang tama at maayos ang kagamitan ng work area, mas napapadali ang operation at mas efficient ang mga employees. Pangalawa, ang organizing inventory management system ay importante para ma-monitor na maayos ang stock at supply dahil dito naiiwasan ng shortage o sobrang stock na maaaring masayang. Pangatlo, ang effective supply chain ay tumutulong para siguradong maayos at mabilis ang pagkuha at pag-deliver ng ingredients at produkto. Nakakatulong ito para mapanatili ang good quality ng food, satisfying ang mga customer. Overall, ipinapakita ng konklusyon na ito na kapag maayos ang facility layout, inventory system, at supply chain, mas tumataas ang productivity, nababawasan ang waste, napapanatili ang food quality, at mas gumaganda ang customer service ng business.